Alright, so we're discovering air conditioning for the first time, maybe second time. We got the AC unit right here. Hey Kendall. Hey Kendall, okay. Blakeson and yours truly. We just went out for a walk. It's 30 degrees outside and we're keeping it cool here by the AC. Well, they were keeping it cool. Now they're yeah. Now we're doing video. Yeah. Yeah. That was a hot ride, eh? Hot stroll. Hey Kendall, how does that feel? What was that, Blakeson? What can you say now? Can you say anything? You can say a word. What's that word? What word do you like to say?
Onion.
Onion? Tomato? Fried eggs, yeah. Keeping it cool by the AC. I'm trying not to touch it. I know! It's frustrating not being able to talk. Oh, my beautiful children. This little guy. He was in the pool today, that's not sweat. I don't think that's sweat. Well, I probably said enough. It's very nice here. Bye-bye.